Good morning. Are you ready today?
Good morning. Yes, I feel ready.
Do you want to visit a cafe?
A cafe sounds nice today.
Let's leave the phone at home.
Yes, real moments feel better.
The morning feels happy today.
Yes, the morning feels calm.
I feel happy walking with you.
I feel happy too.
The morning air feels fresh.
Yes, it feels very nice.
The cafe is close now.
I feel a little excited.
Take your time. You're doing well.
Thank you. That helps me.
This cafe looks friendly.
Yes, it feels welcoming.
We will learn together today.
Yes, together feels easier.
Let's go inside now.
Okay, let's go.
This place feels calm.
Yes, I feel comfortable here.
We can wait here together.
Yes, waiting feels okay.
We watch first, then speak.
Yes, that helps me.
You can speak slowly.
I will try slowly.
I am here with you.
That makes me calm.
You are ready now.
Yes, I feel ready.
Simple English works very well.
Yes, simple words help.
You did very well.
I feel proud now.
This moment feels very special.
Yes, I feel so happy here.
Let's sit and relax.
Yes, I like that.
No phone makes this time better.
Yes, I feel closer to you.
This makes me so happy.
Me too, I really enjoy it.
Shall we try a pastry?
Yes, that sounds delicious.
I like this one very much.
Yes, I like mine too.
This is really tasty.
Yes, very tasty indeed.
I love this calm time.
Me too, it feels peaceful.
I am glad we came today.
Yes, I am glad too.
It was a wonderful experience.
Yes, a very good experience.
Learning together feels wonderful.
I feel happy and confident.
The weather is so nice today.
Yes, it feels really lovely.
Look at the children playing.
They look so happy.
I'm glad we spent this morning here.
Yes, I feel so happy too.
Walking together is so nice.
Yes, it feels peaceful.
These flowers are so pretty.
Yes, they are beautiful.
Today was a very good day.
Yes, it was a happy day.
We are home again.
It feels nice to be home.
I love being at home now.
Yes, home feels very cozy.
Spending time together is wonderful.
Yes, it makes me happy.
I am glad we shared today.
Yes, it was a happy day.
Let's put everything away carefully.
Yes, I like to keep it neat.
The sun looks so nice outside.
Yes, it feels warm and calm.
Look at our cafe photo.
Yes, we look so happy here.
Let's make a little snack together.
Yes, I like that idea.
This juice looks very tasty.
Yes, it smells really nice.
I really enjoyed today.
Yes, it was very special.
The sunset looks so beautiful.
Yes, I love this view.
I love spending quiet moments together.
Yes, it makes me feel happy.
I am glad we spent the day together.
Yes, it was a perfect day.
Today will be a day to remember.
Yes, it was truly special.
I will wash our glasses now.
Yes, I can help too.
Let's make a cozy corner.
Yes, it will feel very warm.
This corner feels so cozy now.
Yes, it is very comfortable.
This souvenir reminds me of today.
Yes, it was a very fun day.
The sun has gone down now.
Yes, it looks very beautiful.
Everything is ready for the evening.
Yes, it feels peaceful now.
I love these quiet moments together.
Yes, they make me happy.
Today will stay in my memory.
Yes, I will remember it too.
What a wonderful day together.
Yes, I am so happy today.